Okay guys, so we're doing this 04 Honda Element key right here. We're decoding it. HD1. And then we're going to cut it. And then we're going to make a remote for it too. What'd you do? Okay guys, let's cut this key. So we're gonna cut it. Looks like, oh, it looked exactly like our key. So I'm gonna let this cut and then we'll come back to it. Guys, let's go back and let's go into vehicle remotes. Let's go to Honda. Let's see if we can find this CRV remote. Honda. CRV. Oops. CRV. 97 through 04, is that going to be it? No, it's probably this 03 through 08, right? No, wait, that's not a CRV. I may have to look this one up. Why are we getting all these other ones under CRV? I'm gonna look this up real quick. Guys, so it's supposed to be this remote right here. So we're gonna try to generate this real quick. See, generate remote. And then we'll try to clone our key. Device power too low. Really, it's not gonna let me generate this? Oh, that sucks. I guess we'll have to charge this up real quick. I just put a new battery in this so it's not calibrated. So we got the Honda Element here that we cut the key for the other night, and finally came back because my key tool Max died. Let's see if it works in the door. Okay, so it works in the door. Let's see. There we go. Let's go in here. Let's see. The key turns the ignition. I don't remember what we did with this key, if we cloned it or not. No, we did not clone this key. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to, let's go to Transponder clone. Let's see, I think we programmed the remote. Oh no, we didn't program the remote. Let's see, retransponder. Oh, you know what, I'm going to have to go back. Let's go to vehicle remote because we got to generate this one first, I think. Let's see if we can do this quick. Honda. Let's close this. Let's go down to Element. And I think this is an 04 through 06. See if this will work. And we should be able to clone this over. Let's just do it one more time. Okay, so completed. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go to let's go to retransponder. Okay, so we'll clone this. Start. Okay, take this out. We'll put our key in here because this has a super chip. There we go. So now this should start the car. Look at that. So now, I think all we have to do is we got to go to start, turn it on and off and press lock, on, off, lock, off, lock, on, off, lock, on, off, lock, on, off, lock. don't know, I could be wrong. Let me look up the procedure, but I think there's an on board for this. Yeah, I did that wrong. So we gotta turn it on and then press lock, and then off, and on, press lock, off, on, press lock, off, on, press lock. There it went. You heard it? So now it'll work. Look at that. So now let's make sure these both start it. So that one starts it. Shut it off. Start it with the other one. So that one starts it. And we are done. Look at that. We didn't even need any special tools. My friend taught me that. Look at that. So I hope you guys like it. See you later.